Hey, tech lovers! Today, we're diving into the future with the top 11 coolest gadgets that are incredibly seen. These are the kinds of devices that will blow your mind, make you say, wow, and might even make you question how you live without them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss out on the latest gadget trends. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. Let's get started. 11. STN Charge Tree. The STN Charge Tree is a high-performance charge tracking algorithm designed to efficiently model and manage charge distributions in complex systems. This algorithm is particularly useful in computational physics, nanotechnology, and material science, where understanding the behavior of charge carriers in various materials is essential for optimizing device performance. The charge tree framework provides a hierarchical method to track the movement and interaction of charges, which can be visualized as a tree structure where each node represents a region of charge density. This structure allows for efficient calculations, even in highly complex and multi-scale environments, by reducing computational overhead while maintaining accuracy. One of the key advantages of the STN Charge Tree is its ability to handle large-scale systems with varying levels of precision. 10. Neon Rope Light. A neon rope light is a flexible, illuminated lighting solution that mimics the appearance of traditional neon lights, but is made using energy-efficient LED technology. These lights are encased in a durable, flexible plastic tubing, allowing them to be shaped and bent into various patterns, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor decorative applications. Neon rope lights offer a vibrant glow that can be used for accent lighting, signage, or as a part of creative displays in events, festivals, and homes. Compared to traditional neon lights, neon rope lights have several advantages. They are more energy efficient, last longer, and are safer due to the absence of fragile glass tubes. LED technology also allows for a variety of color options, with some neon rope lights even offering customizable color-changing effects. These lights are commonly used for outlining architectural features, decorating parties, creating festive moods, and illuminating pathways or garden areas. 9. Galaxy Star Projector. A Galaxy Star Projector is a popular device that projects an image of stars, galaxies, or nebulae onto the walls and ceilings of a room, creating a relaxing and visually captivating ambience. Often used as a night light or for creating a tranquil environment, these projectors typically use LED lights and advanced optics to display a realistic, moving celestial scene. Some models can simulate a vast galaxy, complete with swirling stars, or even mimic the northern lights, making it feel like you are looking up at the night sky, regardless of the weather outside. These projectors usually come with a range of features, such as adjustable brightness, multiple color modes. 8. 8-in-1 Wireless Charging Station. An 8-in-1 wireless charging station is a versatile and convenient device designed to charge multiple devices simultaneously, all without the need for tangled wires. Typically, these charging stations feature wireless charging pads and ports that support a wide range of electronics, such as smartphones, smartwatches, wireless earbuds, and other Qi-enabled devices. With 8 charging spots, these stations allow users to streamline their charging setup, reducing clutter and making it easier to power up multiple devices at once. The station usually includes dedicated spaces for popular devices like iPhones, Samsung Galaxy phones, Apple Watches, AirPods, and sometimes even tablets or other gadgets. 7. Samsung T9. The Samsung T9 refers to a series of external solid-state drives, SSDs, designed to offer high-speed data storage and transfer. Part of Samsung's growing portfolio of portable storage solutions, the T9 series is known for its performance, durability, and sleek design. This SSD typically supports USB 3.2 Gen 2 for fast data transfer speeds, with read/write speeds that can reach up to 1000 megabytes/s or higher, making it ideal for tasks such as video editing, gaming, or transferring large files. The Samsung T9 is available in various storage capacities, often ranging from 500 GB to 2 TB or more. 6. MES Retro Mini TV Game Console. The MES Retro Mini TV Game Console is a compact, portable gaming device that brings classic video games to life on modern television screens. Typically, these mini consoles are preloaded with a wide selection of retro games, spanning genres such as platformers, puzzle games, shooters, and more, reminiscent of the golden age of gaming from the 80s and 90s. The MES Retro Mini offers a nostalgic gaming experience, ideal for those who want to relive the past or introduce younger generations to the simplicity and fun of old-school gaming. The console is designed to be plug-and-play, meaning it can easily be connected to any TV via HDMI. It usually comes with one or more controllers, which are small, comfortable, and often styled to resemble vintage gamepads from systems like the NES or SNES. 5. Airtherial Flame Aroma Diffuser. The Airtherial Flame Aroma Diffuser is a stylish and innovative essential oil diffuser designed to create a soothing, aromatic atmosphere in your home or office. What sets it apart from traditional diffusers is its unique flame-like LED lighting effect, which simulates a flickering flame, adding a warm, cozy ambience to any room. This diffuser combines both functionality and aesthetics, making it an eye-catching piece of decor while providing the benefits of essential oils. The Airtherial Flame Aroma Diffuser typically uses ultrasonic technology to disperse essential oils into the air, providing a fine mist that helps to humidify the room while delivering the calming scents of your chosen oils. 4. CAFRI RGB Headphone Stand. The CAFRI RGB Headphone Stand is a sleek and functional accessory designed to hold and display headphones while adding a touch of style to your desk or gaming setup. Featuring built-in RGB lighting, this stand enhances the aesthetics of your space with customizable color options, allowing you to personalize the look to match your gaming or workspace environment. The RGB lighting is typically adjustable, offering a range of colors and lighting effects that can be controlled via a button or remote. Aside from its eye-catching lighting, the CAFRI RGB headphone stand is built to be sturdy and practical. It provides a secure, upright position for your headphones, helping to prevent damage from being tossed around or placed improperly. 3. Tanto Mini Debit Repair Tool. The Tanto Mini Debit Repair Tool is a compact and practical golf accessory designed to quickly and effectively repair divots on the golf course. Divots are small pieces of turf displaced during a golf swing, and repairing them is important to maintain the course's condition and ensure smooth play for others. The Tanto Mini Debit Repair Tool is specifically designed to be portable and easy to use, offering golfers a convenient solution for repairing damage to the green. This tool typically features a sharp, sturdy prong that is used to gently lift and reposition the turf around the divot, helping it return to its original state. Its small size makes it easy to carry in a pocket, golf bag, or attached to a keychain, ensuring it's always accessible when needed. The Tanto in its name refers to the tool's design. 2. Amazon Astro. Amazon Astro is an innovative home robot developed by Amazon to enhance convenience, security, and entertainment in households. Designed with a sleek, compact appearance, Astro features an array of sensors, cameras, and microphones to help it navigate your home autonomously. It is powered by Amazon's Alexa and integrates seamlessly with smart home devices, allowing users to control lights, thermostats, and more simply by voice commands or through its intuitive interface. One of the stand-up features of Astro is its ability to provide home security, as it can patrol your home, monitor for any unusual activity, and send alerts to your phone. 1. Quell Fitness Gaming. Quell Fitness Gaming is a unique and innovative fitness platform that blends gaming with exercise, offering an interactive way to stay active and motivated. It combines the thrill of gaming with real-world fitness activities, creating an engaging experience for users. Quell typically uses motion sensing technology and specialized fitness equipment, like sensors or smart wearables, to track your physical movements and convert them into in-game actions. And there you have it, our top 11 coolest gadgets that are incredibly seen. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for something cool to make life easier, these devices are worth checking out. But hey, which one was your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss out on the latest gadget trends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more amazing tech reviews. See you in the next video.